Okay, I want to see if I can show you a little bit about using Microsoft Reader. So here's the Reader icon, and I'm going to click on it. And let's see, let me go to our library here. Our library is where we want to start. It's going to show you all the books that are in a compatible format that are on the machine. And the format for Microsoft Reader is LIT, or lit files, the last three letters of the ebooks that end with lit. So we go to our library and it shows us all our books, and we pick one we want to read. For example, this one here. And you will notice now in the left hand column it says Go To there at the top. So we're going to click on Go To and click on Begin Reading. And that's how we get to the beginning of the book. And from here to read, we simply click on our little arrows here, and that pages us forward. Or we can also use what's called the action button, which is just below the screen, which unfortunately you can't see, but we can go forward or backward with that, likewise with our arrows. Now you can move a number of pages by putting your stylus down and pressing for a couple of seconds on the page number, and then you can see it brings up what they call a slider bar, and we can now click down here and it'll move many pages at a time. You see we're now have moved to page 124. I click again, we're on page 320. And then we still have our ability to move one page at a time by clicking on these arrows here. Now to get rid of the slider bar, we just click on this little X in the corner here. Now let's say we want to go back to the library. Let's click up here on the title, and then we can go to library, and from here we can access settings, help, so forth. For example, we can click on settings, and now you see it says up here in the corner page 3. Well, somehow I've gotten on page 3, but I can click on this arrow and go to page 2, where I can configure highlights and text notes. Go to page 1 and I can set my font size, so forth and so on. So that's how you access the different settings on this machine. There's also a help file. You notice here I click on help and it will load the help file for me, and just like it was an ebook, which it really is, I can click on Go To Begin Reading and I can start reading my help file. So that's an overview of Microsoft Reader, and I hope it's been of help to you.